morning, mi gente. It's your girl Doris here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day as a college student. All of my classes got switched to online, so I'm going to be home all day. Basically going to be giving you guys kind of like an online class vlog. So if you guys enjoy content like this, do not forget to like and subscribe, and let's get right into this video. Okay guys, my first class starts in literally less than 5 minutes, so I didn't have time to show you guys how I make my breakfast. But I'm having my usual, my matcha latte in this cute little mug. It says, "Have a lazy day." So cute. Some croissants. I didn't buy these croissants. I bought them at my local grocery store. They're really, really good. And then I have some strawberries. That's my breakfast for today. My first class is done, so I'm gonna go quickly grab some lunch. We only have white rice at home and I don't want to make anything with it, so I'm gonna go grab myself a burrito bowl from Ziteca. Ziteca is basically an identical twin to Chipotle. They offer like very similar menus. Personally, I honestly like Ziteca better just because they're not as stingy as Chipotle when it comes to the meat. I always get the chicken burrito bowl, and I just like how Ziteca, like, they put a lot of chicken in there, so that's why I like Ziteca better than Chipotle, just because like the portions are, I feel like, bigger. Or maybe it's just because I know the girl that works there. Either way, I like Ziteca better. I'm gonna quickly grab myself a bowl and come back home before my second class, because my second class starts at 2. So a burrito bowl. The burrito bowl. Yeah, the bowl, yeah. No corn. And the chipotle sauce, yeah. Salsa. And a little bit of the spicy one. Thank you. I'm back from Ziteca and I lost an earring. I started walking and I was recording at the same time and I dropped the earring on the floor. So I stopped at a table to put it back on me, kind of like squeeze it in so it doesn't like fall out. And then when I got home right now, I'm like, where's the other earring? So yeah, I lost an earring. Oh, it's spilled. Oh no. Look guys, it's spilled all over. Oh my gosh. No, whoa. Oh my gosh. I got my sweater dirty. I'm so pissed off. Too bad it got all spilled up. It doesn't look that appealing, but trust me when I tell you, it tastes so good. Remember when I told you guys that I know this girl that works at Ziteca? Well, she was actually there today and she's the one that served me, ironically enough. Like, I was talking about her and then boom, she's there. What are the odds? Okay, I'm gonna munch up and eat all this while I watch a YouTube video. I uploaded a video this morning and the feedback you guys have been giving me on that video has been amazing. Thank you so much if you commented on that video or if you DM'd me on my Instagram and told me how good that video was, because that to me just tells me that every time I make a video, I'm getting better and better, which is the goal. Even if I have to sacrifice posting in a week because my schedule, I feel like, is gonna be once a week. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys and just thank you for watching and subscribing. If you guys have subscribed to my channel recently, like, thank you so much. I know it's only 120 something people, but the 120 people to me is like, it means the world. So thank you so much for subscribing and enjoying my channel and just watching me. I'm gonna finish editing my thumbnail and then I'm gonna go grab a snack because your girl's getting a little bit hungry. Honestly though, after I have lunch, I kind of just starve myself until dinner, or like I'll eat a really heavy lunch and not eat dinner. But today I'm gonna like try and force myself to eat a little bit just because I haven't been eating as much. I've been losing my appetite lately. I like the sun, but let me move because this is blinding me. This is my snack now. I told my mom I ate, but she's like, no, you have to eat my food. So I'm basically having lunch for the second time today. So my mom made white rice, some shrimp and mussels with green onions and coconut milk. Of course, in every Dominican household, we have beans and then some avocado to add a little more texture and creaminess to the whole meal. So yeah, this is my lunch. It's been an hour since I had my second lunch. And I'm gonna have this little ice cream bar. I'm not supposed to have dairy because dairy gives me pimples and my acne is, it's not that bad, but like my acne, my face. Sorry, let me just, as I was saying, my acne is not the worst out there, but you can see I have a lot of like pigmentation and dark and scars. Because I'm very hard-headed and I value food over no acne in my face. So I did try to like go to a local grocery store and try to find like vegan options, like vegan ice cream or like dairy-free ice cream and stuff. But like in the grocery stores near me, they don't have any. So I'm gonna have to probably like search up one on Google and see which one's the closest so I can go and buy some like dairy-free ice cream. For now, this will have to do. I don't think I'm gonna have dinner because the double lunch really has my stomach. So dinner's pretty much out of the picture. I'm probably just gonna finish the night by like editing a video and watching some Netflix. I have some dramas to catch up on, so yeah. This is so good. You want some? Here you go.